Hey friends, let's talk about something that's shaking up the creative world Web3 and how it's flipping the script for content creators like us. Now, you've probably heard the buzzwords blockchain, NFTs, decentralization, but what does it all mean for your content? Well, Web3 is all about putting creators in control. No more gatekeepers, no more mysterious algorithms deciding your fate. Instead, you get to own your work and connect directly with your audience. So, how do you actually build a Web3 ready content strategy? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First, embrace decentralization. That means moving beyond the usual platforms. Start exploring Web3 spaces like Mirror for blogging, Zora or Foundation for sharing NFTs, or even decentralized video hubs. These platforms don't just let you post, they let you own your content. You set the rules, keep the rights, and even decide how you get paid. Super cool, right? Second, get practical. For a lot of creators, this starts with launching your own NFT collection. Think beyond just digital art. NFTs can be exclusive videos, behind the scenes content, or even access to private communities. Start small, mint a limited edition piece for your biggest fans. Platforms like OpenSea or Redbubble make it pretty straightforward, and you don't need to be a coder to get started. Don't forget about decentralized storage. Instead of keeping your files on one server, use tools like Arweave or IPFS. This means your content is safe, accessible, and not at the mercy of a single company. If one site goes down, your work lives on. Now, the secret sauce, community. Web3 is all about authentic connections. Use Discord servers, token-gated chats, or DAOs to let your audience be part of your creative journey. Give them a safe, reward them for supporting you, and let them feel like co-creators, not just consumers. When your fans have skin in the game, you build something way more meaningful and sustainable. So, don't wait for the future to arrive. Start experimenting with these tools today and join the wave of creators who are taking back control, building real communities, and thriving in the decentralized world of Web3. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment or question below. I'd love to hear how you're exploring Web3. See you in the next one. Now that you know how Web3 is changing the creative world, let's talk about the best part: getting paid as a creator. With blockchain-based payment systems, you can get direct donations from fans using cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Solana middlemen, no waiting. Imagine a fan in Brazil tipping you instantly for your art, or a supporter in Japan buying your exclusive video. Crypto makes it seamless. NFTs take it even further. You can mint your content as an NFT and sell ownership or special access directly to your audience. Plus, smart contracts mean you can earn royalties every time your NFT is resold, so your work keeps paying you even years later. Real creators are already cashing in. Musician RAC made over 700, Zero releasing an album as NFTs, and digital artist People sold an NFT artwork for $69 million. And you don't have to be famous. Creators everywhere are earning with NFT sales, token-gated content, and direct crypto support from their fans. Web3 is unlocking a whole new toolkit for monetization. The future of getting paid as a creator is here, and it's just getting started.